We are distillers and dreamers, creators and caretakers, farmers and family. We uplift and enhance lives around the world through nature's living energy, essential oils. As the pioneers of the modern essential oil movement for more than 25 years, we have established and maintained this standard every step of the way. From our sustainable farming and sourcing practices to our cutting-edge research and testing, we consistently deliver the world's purest essential oils and oil-infused products. As the standard bearer, we leave complacency and convenience to others and have no time for standing still or the status quo. Every day, we make lives better, the earth greener, and futures brighter. We're Young Living, nature distilled, life enhanced.